Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Force Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy Z Fold 7. In today's video, I'm reviewing the official Samsung carbon shield case for the Galaxy Z Fold 7. I decided to pick this up from Amazon because I just wanted to try out a few of their official cases for their own phone. You can pick it up from Amazon or their website. I will have the links and you can decide where you want to pick it up from. I don't believe that this case will have the front piece, just like the other cases didn't either, but we'll get into it. I don't even know if it has MagSafe either. When I buy a case online, I just look at it and just the looks and pick it up. I don't look at the details of the case until I get it into the lab here. But like we normally do in my reviews, we'll make sure everything lines up. Do you get camera protection? Do you get lip protection? Does it add bulk? If it has a magnet, how strong is the magnet? Can you wireless charge? Does it have hinge protection or not? The overall feel of the case. Does it add weight to your phone? Just the normal things you look for in a case or a review. But enough of me talking, let's get into it. It looks like it might come with screen protectors too, because that's what that little design in the back is. I love their cases because it comes with instructions like for a book or something. Like I'm taking a high school class or something, or math class. But it does come with screen protectors in there. So, bam, I'm not going to do the screen protector, but you get all the stuff for it. And then the back is just that. It's just the back. No front piece again. It's just a very minimalistic back piece to it. Like some other competitors, it has just the back. Again, for me, it's not a big deal because I can pair this up with like a Binks front. I can do a later case front. You know, different fronts on there if you wanted to. But look how thin this is. It's not going to add bulk to your phone at all. Let's see how this bad boy fits. So, do you get camera protection? Yes, you do. You have a lot of room for the power button and the volume rockers there. The USB charging port is wide open. That microphone is cut out good. The two microphones at the top is cut out good. And again, the back piece does not add bulk. I mean, it's a very thin carbon fiber looking case. I mean, this case is, if you want minimalistic, this is what you get. It doesn't have hinge protection either, but it feels like you don't have a case on your phone at all. So if that's what you're going for, if you almost want a skin, this is what you get when you get the carbon fiber case from Samsung. And then the overall feel and fit, yeah, see, it's going to take a lot to get that off too. So the fit is really good on there. Now, again, I don't think it has wireless charging, or at least MagSafe on there. I know you can wireless charge, but MagSafe, I think, is a different story. Let's see. No MagSafe, but I heard it wireless charging. So yes, can you wireless charge? Yes. Does it have MagSafe? No. But there's other accessories that you can buy to make it MagSafe from other companies too, so that's just out there. Do y'all like these cases with just the back on there, or do y'all need the front piece? A lot of people are saying that they need the front piece on there. For me, I can rock this because I have a screen protector on the front, so if I want to lay it down, I have my screen protector protecting it. And then in the back, this is where I don't want to get scratched up. I can place it down there and not worry about getting scratched up. But that's just me. If y'all want to pick up this case, like I said, I'll have the links in the description. It does check off some boxes for you. I mean, no MagSafe. It doesn't have the front piece on there, so that's some of the complaints. But it does give you camera protection. The bottom parts line up. The top ones line up. It feels like very minimalistic, so it gives you some protection in the back also, and protects your beautiful back there. Doesn't have the hinge, so I don't know. Y'all make up y'all mind. I mean, I'm gonna rock with it for a few days and just use it like it is. I have a lot of cases for this phone, so I can put a front on there if I wanted to. But if you want to pick it up, like I said, look in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Z Fold 7. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forza Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.